Kidsers. Karan ayaw magtapos sa isang area ha, mag-group. Para sa snack sa atong mga bata.
Okay, here we go!
It's ang snack sa mga traffic. Traffic na to.
Pastor Alex, welcome to the 26th founding anniversary of Shining Vision School! Welcome sa mga nagka-matriculate, nagka-pinagalo! Welcome everyone to the 26th founding anniversary of our school, Shining Vision School of Mahi. And thank you so much for the TMG group, our city mayor, for allowing us to do the opening today. The Barangay Council of our barangay signs headed by our very own barangay captain, Barangay Captain Radino M. Zamora. Thank you so much also for the venue today, for allowing us, for giving us permit or permission to use the activity center, Stone Creek Winkle Activity Center for our 26th founding anniversary. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, we will give you a few minutes to prepare and settle yourselves for the third part of our activity later. But teachers, please assure that all your students can take their snacks. The distribution of your snacks today, please see your class advisors. And then, siguro sa mga lapi-lapin. And please see to it that no garbages must be seen or should be seen in our hall. Mag-play go po tayo. Clean as we go later. Wala pong mag-throw ng mga garbages. Garbage bin or something.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.